The following short presentation details the steps that you should consider when having your electric van fitted with cleaning equipment. Although the van featured within this video is fitted with a hot water pressure washer system, the principle is the same for most types of installation. The first step we always recommend is to have the inside coated with Line X coating. This is a hard-wearing waterproof coating that not only protects the van from rust, but should something catastrophic happen to your tank would prevent the water from leaking into the van's battery system. The photograph shows a piece of van floor that was cut out during a modification. Note that even though the piece was cut out using an angle grinder, the Line X remains fully adhered to the surface. Unlike traditional van installations, the placement of the vehicle's batteries prevents us bolting the tank through the floor. To overcome this issue, Clean Machine have designed equipment frames for various types of vans and types of equipment. These fully welded and powder-coated frames are designed using the latest design software, ensuring that the frames provide the required strength and loading when attached to the van's internal load points. As with any van, the final weight when fully loaded with fluids and fuel has to be a major consideration in the overall design and solution. We look at the vehicle's overall capacity and then work backwards, adding the equipment and fluids and allowing a margin for additional equipment, such as safety barriers and personal equipment. Electric vans based upon hydrocarbon-powered van chassis often have a lower load capacity due to the added weight of the battery pack. Equipment such as powered hose reels can quickly add weight to the van. Compromises may need to be made to the amount of equipment that is specified for a project. Our specialist design team will review all of this with you during the design phase, ensuring that your solution is not only fit for purpose but keeps you within the legal limits of your van's design. The next consideration is the equipment's electrical requirements. Although you think this would be easy with an electric van, it is not as straightforward as it would first appear. The van's traction battery cannot be used to power the additional cleaning equipment, and trying to take a power source from the 12-volt battery is also not possible as the capacity of this is limited to the existing requirements and does not have additional capacity. Clean Machine have therefore designed a module that allows the auxiliary battery to be charged from the 240-volt charging source whilst the traction battery is being charged. This communicates with the battery control module and prevents any charging errors or issues. A worthwhile addition to the van's charging system is solar panels. These can be added into the auxiliary battery management system and are an excellent way of keeping the battery fully charged. Getting the most out of your investment is as important to us as it is to you. Once the van installation has been completed, not only will you be given a full handover by our fully trained staff. In addition to the handover, you will be given a full handover pack and documentation together with contact information for our help desk should you think of any questions that you forgot to ask during the handover. Your van is now ready for the next few years of work. Just remember, like the van, your equipment will require regular servicing to keep it in top condition. Thank you for taking time to view this presentation. Should you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us either via email or telephone.